Okay, first of all, I will introduce myself. I am teacher Huda from Gakken classroom. So, a bit introduction about Gakken classroom. So, Gakken classroom have maths and science. So, for the science course, we have a very simple experiment that you can do by yourself and that relate to our daily life. Okay, so for today's topic, we will do about floating. So we are going to do some simple experiment using a salt and a water. We are going to start with today's activity. So we are going to do floating. So I have some big tank here and some vegetable that you can use at home that normally you will have at home. So I have onion here. So I have a garlic here. Okay, so I have a ginger. Okay, I know everyone doesn't like this one. This one is carrot. So, but carrot is good for your eyes. So we have a cucumber here. So what is the color of the cucumber? Okay, green. So the cucumber is green color. So I have another one here is, anyone know what is this? Potato. So this is one potato, okay? So here with the tank water here, I want to see which vegetable is floating and which vegetable is sinking. So we will start with onion. Okay? So onion here, I will drop it. What do you think? The onion will sinking or floating? Okay? So, floating or sinking? Okay, so I will try to put. Okay? So the onion here is floating. Okay? So, how about garlic? So garlic here, I try to take off one. Okay. So one garlic, when I put, garlic is floating. Garlic also floating. How about potato? Okay. Here potato, I try to put. Potato is sinking. Okay, how about this one? Ginger. So ginger I just put. Floating or sinking? What do you guys think? I think it will be floating. Looks like I'm wrong. It's sinking. Okay, how about carrot? Okay, so I put a carrot. Wow, carrot also sinking. The last one is cucumber. So for the cucumber, we will be cucumber will floating. So here is some vegetable you can see it sinking and some vegetable you can see it floating. Okay. So for the next one, we are going to use some water and also here we have a different type of solution. So I have here water. This one water, the red color, I have already put 5. Put this one wrong. This one wrong. This one wrong. Okay. Okay, sorry, we put wrong. Should be the blue color is. Okay. Okay, sorry for the wrong labeling. So the red color water is water with 5 tablespoons of salt, and the blue color is water with 12 tablespoons of salt. So I just use the normal salt that you have inside your kitchen. Okay. So when I put, I will use some to stir to make it the salt dissolve in the water. So for the coloring, I just use a normal food coloring to make it more obvious. Okay. So for the next one, I will want to see how this vegetable floating inside this salt water. So I want to see how is the different. Okay. So here I'm using the normal transparent cup. Okay. I will use a string to put the water. So I will start with the water first. So I just take a few string and slowly push. Can take the wire you can touch. Okay. Now we are going to put the 5 tablespoons, the red color. Okay, when you put, make sure your string is on the bottom and slowly push. Okay. You need to let it settle down first, then you can see it will become like this. Okay. Now you can see it have 2 layers. Okay. You have a clear layer on the top and the red layer on the bottom. Okay. So now we are going to put another layer of salt water, which is 12 tablespoons of salt. So okay, now you almost see a 3 layer with the blue color. Okay, so you will need to let it settle down until it become like this. Okay, now you will see 3 layer of water. So the first layer is the clear layer, is a normal water, and the red layer is a water with the 5 salt of water, and the blue layer is water with the 12 tablespoons of salt. Okay, so here, so this vegetable, we are using this all the same vegetable, but I already cut into small pieces here. So let's start with onion. Okay, so I just take a big onion because this time is a bit smaller than this one, so I just take a small one. Okay, so we see here the onion is floating. How about inside the water and the salt water, the red and blue solution? Okay, so the salt here, so I will put slowly. So you can see the onion is still floating in the clear water. Okay, so how about garlic? Okay, we see the floating first. Garlic here. So the garlic I already cut into half. So I put. Wow. So the garlic here is between the clear water and red water. Okay. How about ginger here? I have a ginger here. Oh. Ginger also is in between clear water and red water. Okay, we try with potato. Here I have a potato here. So the potato, you can see the potato is already come into the red zone. Okay, already become to red water zone. Okay, the carrot. How about carrot? How about carrot? So carrot I try to put. Okay, so carrot also is in the red water zone. Last is cucumber. So cucumber and is in a clear water zone. So here we can see the difference between the normal water and this water and salt water. Okay, inside here we can see garlic, onion and cucumber is floating. But here only cucumber and onion is floating. So only in the red zone is carrot, ginger and also potato there. Okay, garlic is between red zone and white zone, so it's in between. Okay, so salt water here is giving a big impression how the floating and sinking happen. Okay. Okay, so we will move to the next experiment. So I will need to move this thing first. Okay. So for the next experiment is for the challenge. You can try this one at home and please send us your picture to get some prizes. Okay, you can send out through Facebook or Instagram. Okay, so here if you want to try at home together with me also can. You only use some cup, you need a wash bowl or basin. Okay, and also a A4 paper. Only these three things. Okay, you also need this salt water. Okay, so first I will put clear water, tap water on this one. Another one I will put the red solution. Okay. Okay, so this A4 paper, if you have a more bigger cup than here, please fold into 2 only. But if you have a smaller cup, you need to fold into 4. Okay. Okay, please fold into 4. Then the next thing is just cover. Okay, the important tips here, you use your palm. If a smaller kids want to do this, please ask help to your parents to help you to flip this cup. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow, luckily not drop. See, the water not dropping, only a bit because moving. Okay, so I just put slowly on the cup. Okay, Now I want to pull out the pepper. You think the water will mix or not mix? It will mix, right? So let's try. Okay, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, fail. Okay, just now we put the red water in on top. So how about we put red water on the bottom? Okay, we are going to success or fail. We try another one. Okay. Okay, so I will add more water here. Okay, see? Okay. Next one, we try one more time. Red water and clear water here. Okay, just now we put the red water on top of the white water, the clear water. So how about clear water on top of the red water? One, two, three. Lucky success. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Okay, so the moment has come. Are we going to success or fail? Please wait. I also nervous because I haven't done this before. Okay, 1. Make sure the mouth cup is combined together. Okay, so 1, 2. Yay! You can see there's 2 layers of water. Clear water on the top and the red water on the bottom. Yay! Success! Okay? Okay? So, for the conclusion for this experiment, why the water on the red one is on the bottom is not mixing with the clear water, but just now the water is mixing because we have a salt water here. Salt water is more heavy than the clear water. Same as when I do this experiment. So you can see this experiment, the white water and the red water here not mixed together. So heavy things will be on the bottom and the light thing will be on the top. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Okay, bye bye. Cancel now.